Okay guys, let's check your work here. We're going to need to make a box and whisker plot. So before we can do that, we need to create our 5-number summary. Now I went ahead and put all the numbers in order for us down here, so I wouldn't have to take up the video time to do that. So you can check your numbers from my list as well. Okay, so what are the easy numbers? Yeah, minimum 11, smallest number. Maximum 23, biggest number. Okay? Now, how many numbers were there? 16 numbers. So where's the middle? Where's the middle of 16? 16 divided by 2 is 8. That means it'll be 8 on one side and 8 on the other, and the median will be in the middle. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Dash your median. The number between 14 and 14 is 14. No big deal. So there's our Q2, 14. Now, in order to find our Q1 and our Q3, we're going to have to take this bottom set of numbers here and find the middle of that. Now there's 8 numbers in each side, right? 8 divided by 2 is 4 on one side and 4 on the other. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 on the other side. So between 13 and 13 is 13. And there's our Q1. Q3, do the same thing. We'll put a box around the upper half. Again, there's 8 numbers. So that means the median will be 4 on the left, 4 on the right, and the median is in between them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, median. 1, 2, 3, 4. So between 18 and 18 is 18. So that's our Q3. All right, now we're just going to take these 5 numbers and make a graph. So I need a line, number line, and we'll put it right here this time. Here's our number line. Okay. Let's see, we'll turn that up a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. And let's actually change the color to purple. So purple, but a little larger. Okay, great. So now when we graph on the number line, we're going to need to graph all 5 of these numbers, okay? And our number line needs to include these numbers, but go a little bit smaller than the minimum and a little bit larger than the maximum. So let's do this maybe starting at 5. Whoa, fancy. And let's see, 10. Let's see if this will work. 10, about the same here would be 15. 20, 25. We want them all to be about the same, and you should use lined paper or ruler or a grid, but I think this will be okay for the computer. All right, minimum is at 11, so let's graph them in red again. I liked graphing in red. So we're going to do the minimum and maximum in a big dot. So the minimum is 11. So 11 is just a bit higher than 10, right? Boom, minimum 11. Maximum is at 23. Okay, and let's turn that down a little bit. Q1 is at 13. So Q1 is not very much higher than the minimum. And then, whoops, probably need to go to the left with that a little bit. So this is 11, 12. I need to fix that. My graph needs to be a little bit better, I think. So this is going to be 11, 12, 13, and 14. Those are all about the same. I did that because I need all of those numbers. So 11, there's the minimum, 12, 13, and there's 14 for the median. Then I need 18. So 16, 17, 18, 19. So there's 18 right there. Okay, now the middle three make the box. So we make a rectangle out of them like this. And then the median is the vertical line, and then we connect the minimum and the maximum. There we go. So you should be able to tell from the graph that the minimum is 11, so it should be right above 11, that Q1 is 13, that Q2, the median, is 14. It should be obvious that it's 14, and that Q3 is 18, and this is 23 over here. So you should be able to figure out those 5 numbers just from the graph. Okay? Hope you did okay. Hope the explanation was all right. Check out the homework help video for Khan Academy once you get started. And good luck. Hope you guys had a great week. Make sure you turn in all of your homework by Saturday.